In this video, we will discuss the features of a new builder tool, Hint. It will assist you in creating new forms and even in prototyping an entire project. Using artificial intelligence, the builder is capable of interpreting the form being created and suggesting relevant fields. This analysis will take into account the form's name and description, as well as the fields that are already inserted. Create a form and insert its title. When you click on Hint, add a description to the form, explaining its purpose, for example. Insert some fields and let Hint suggest the next ones. To get the suggestions, click on Load More. Click on the plus button to include the fields. Once added, you have complete freedom to customize any detail, such as the label or field type, as you wish. You can also generate suggestions using ChatGPT and the Upload JSON button. In the description of this video, you will find an example of a prompt on how to use ChatGPT for this purpose. It's important to follow the format of the example provided. When using ChatGPT directly, you can guide the artificial intelligence to generate more precise suggestions by taking into account additional information, such as business rules, documents, or even by requesting the generation of multiple forms at once. Develop a dialogue so that artificial intelligence can improve its suggestions more and more. Follow our example and complement it with the description of your project or form. Copy only the JSON by clicking on Copy Code. On the Builder screen, click on Upload JSON and then Add JSON. Now the fields suggested by ChatGPT are available. An entire project filled with forms in minutes. This is now possible. With Hint, we hope to initiate a new phase in low-code development, speeding up the development process and making it increasingly simple and intuitive. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.